guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. Today's video, oh my god, my battery's gonna die. Today's video is super exciting. All my bridesmaids are coming over to try on their dresses. So okay, so I've changed the battery. I'm hoping this one is a bit more charged than the other one. But like I was saying, my bridesmaids are coming round to try on their dresses for the first time today. And I am doing like this whole like little spread and making it really cute. So I've got to pop to Asda really quickly. They're coming at 10, it's down 9. And I want to get some like fresh pastries and donuts, things like that. But let me show you how the setup's looking at the minute. So this is how it's looking at the minute. I don't know how well you're going to see because it's like backlit. But oh my god, and then these are the dresses and they have their names on them. How cute is that? Oh my god, isn't that just so gorgeous? And then we've got a Polaroid camera because we're going to take loads of pictures and things. I've got Bucks Fizz, loads of juices. So yeah, let's go to Asda and get some sweet treats. I literally am sweating buckets right now. I've been running around like a headless chicken. I mean, I washed my hair this morning and this is the best it's gonna get. It's just not looking cute, but it's just gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to just like clip it up with a claw clip or something. But I'm so excited, look. So I've done this little spread. So we've got pastries, popcorn, angel slices, strawberries, donuts, fruit, sweets. I'm kind of going for like pink theme if you can like guess. We've got the Polaroid camera, Bucks Fizz. I've got some more stuff in the fridge to keep cold. And I've got even more snacks. I literally went crazy on the snacks, but it didn't fit on the table. So it's all in the cupboard. And then, yeah, these are the dresses. How cute. Also, I don't think I've shown you, we've got some new cushions and a throw for our sofa, and I think it looks gorgeous. So they're from Dunelm, and they're just like this, like, taupey colour. I love them. But yeah. Oh, and we've got shelves. Look how cute. I just need to get some bits to put on them, but I think it looks so cute. So what I'm gonna do is actually put on, I think, Mamma Mia. So when the girls get here, Mamma Mia's playing, because that is the type of vibe I'm going for this wedding. I mean, not so much the wedding, but the hen do especially. It's all Mamma Mia vibes. So let's get that on. Okay, so I've got Mamma Mia on, ready to go. This is the first one, and then we'll probably put the second one on after. Oh my god, I am so excited, guys. I'm not gonna lie though, this was so stressful to put up. Me and Billy were doing it until like 11 at night. It's still not exactly like perfect, but it is. I don't really want to touch it, so it's gonna have to do. And then these are like leftover balloons, and one balloon actually popped, that's why there's confetti there, but we thought it actually looked quite cute, so we've kept it there. And then we've got these personalised hangers for the bridesmaids. My mum actually made them. This one's kind of like a temporary one because the A went really funny on the one my mum made, so we're gonna have to redo it. So this is just like a temporary one just for today. But look how cute. So we've got Ellie, Izzy. That's just like an extra dress for Izzy to try on. Yasmin, Lisa, Bella, Jess. Oh my god, so stunning. And then all of this yummy food. And I am wearing the most comfy outfit. So I'm wearing this like jumpsuit. So I'm wearing this jumpsuit from We Are Tala. I'm pretty sure that's how you say the brand. I was calling it Tala, but I actually think it's We Are Tala. And it is so buttery soft. And it's just this flared jumpsuit. I just thought for lounging around the house, this is perfect. And I'm not wearing a bra with this either. And it's like really supportive. But yeah, it is quite spenny for what it is. But it is really, really buttery soft, and if you're anything like me and love comfy cozy, then you'd love this. But yeah, now we just have to wait for the girly whirlies to arrive. It is, what is the time? Let me have a look. This is like the worst bit, like waiting around, but I'm so glad I managed to do it before they all came. I was so worried that I wasn't gonna have enough time and I'd have to keep doing it, like setting up whilst they were here. Okay, it's 10 to 10 and they're all due to get here about 10. I think a couple of them are due to get here at like 10 past and Bella's due to get in at the station at like 30 and I need to go pick her up. But yeah, so exciting. Oh my god, how mad that this is just like, this is just coming around so quick. Like, how many months is it? What's August, September, October, November, December? 9 months. 9 months away. Can't believe it. But yeah, I'll film more when the girlies arrive.
That's a different movie to what I remember.
So I forgot to film when the girls were here, like trying on their dresses and stuff. Like I was just a bit preoccupied, like obviously sorting everything out, seeing what needed to be changed, altered, figuring out like how the girls gonna wear their hair and stuff like that, jewelry. We were just figuring out all of that. But we did take some Polaroids, so I thought I would show you the pictures because they're really, really cute and like a cute little memory to have. So let me turn you around and show you. So this is all of them together. How cute do they look? Oh, so cute. Crazy that the next time they're gonna be wearing these, it's gonna be on the wedding. And then I took ones like individually with each of them to have like to put by their hangers like on the wedding day. I thought that'd be quite cute. Also, I was saying that me and Bella, like Bella looks like my mum. Like, why does she look like she's like cradling me like a baby? And I don't know why my neck looks like that. I literally look like a giraffe. Like, it's the most bizarre thing. She did have heels on. This is me and my maid of honor. I love this picture. I think it's so cute. And then I took some like of the actual like setup just to remember, have for the mems, and the cute little hangers. This is me and Els. Me and Yasmin. Me and Jess. Me and Izzy. And then the balloons. But yeah, that. I thought I would show you the Polaroids we took because obviously I didn't film anything else when the girls were here. So I thought I would show you the little Polaroids we took. But yeah, that was the girly whirlies trying on their bridesmaid dresses, and luckily they all fit. None had to be exchanged. They just got to be tailored, altered to their bodies, and stuff like that. So yeah. So because this was quite a short vlog, I thought I would just run through a few of the pieces that I've received in the mail recently. So yeah, first thing is I went to a face gym event on Friday. It was so good, like so good. I now want to get into the routine of doing the face gym things every single day because I want a snatched face, and it's basically like getting Botox without the Botox. So yes please. So we used the ball, the little face ball. We also used the multi-sculpt tool, so this little metal tool here, with the oil, the serum, the cleanser, the moisturizer, And how cute is this little bag that it comes in? So cute. And you can like clip it to something. So yeah. And the cool thing is about all the Face Gym products, right, is that when you buy them, they all have like a QR code on them, and you scan it and it will show you like different ways to use the products, like if you need like help remembering or stuff like that. So I thought that was really good, because we had a trainer like basically do our masterclass on Friday, but I was thinking to myself, like, I'm not gonna remember this. So yeah, when they said that to us, I was like, oh, that's amazing. And even like the products, like not just the tools, the products too have QR codes that show you like different ways to use it and stuff. The next package I got was from Matrix, some hair care. So this is a hairspray. This is gonna come in so handy for work. I'm always needing to hairspray my hair for work, so excited to give that a go. This controller gel, I've never used a gel before, so I'm excited to give this a go for like slick back looks. I like to do a lot of like slick back bun looks, so yeah, this says for defining and sculpting, so we'll give this a go. It says strong hold with no flaking, so give that a try. And then this is a volumizing powder, so I don't know if you're going to see, is it going to focus? There we go. A height riser volumizing powder, so you apply to dry hair, shake out roots, and it gives you volume. So this might be quite nice to do like when I've had like a fresh blow dry, and then do it at the front, so like the front bits have a bit more volume. I really like that look. So yeah, excited to give those a try. This new, I'm pretty sure this is new, NARS light reflecting eye brightener. So it's not like a concealer, but an eye brightener. I don't know if this shade's going to be any good, but this is one they sent me. It is Golden Eye, and that's what it looks like. We'll see. But yeah, I'm excited to give that a go. I love NARS products. I love their, is it the light reflecting foundation? It might be actually. That's like one of my favourites, so yeah. And look how nice this packaging is. I mean, NARS always does some of the nicest packaging. But yeah, so that'll be nice, because look at these dark circles. Not cute. I also got, oh, I was wondering where it was, these two lipsticks from YSL. So these are the, I'm not sure if these are new, maybe, the Rouge Volupte Candy Glaze Balms by YSL. So they sent me shades 14 and 15, Scenic Brown and Showcasing Nude. So from what I can understand, it's like a lip balm but with colour, so that's amazing. Like, because I'm obsessed at the minute with my Dior, like, what is it, it's like a lip balm, The Situation, do you know what I'm on about? I'm obsessed with my one. It's in the shade Rosewood, and I think because I just like how it feels on the lips, and these are meant to be like lip balms but with colour, so I'm hoping it will be like a similar sort of vibe and I will get along with it really well. And then lastly, I received a package from Bondi Sands. So they sent me the tanning mitt. I was actually in desperate need of a new tanning mitt, so that comes at a great time. And then this, I'm guessing, is their new self tan. It is the Technicolor 1 Hour Express, and it has like all these different ones for different skin tones. And how cute is this? So they sent me like little mini versions of all of them to like test out and see which one is the best shade for me. But yeah, I just thought that was really cute. Like, look how cute the little minis are. Anything mini I just think is the cutest thing. But yeah, I'm always on the hunt for a good fake tan, so I'm excited to try that. The fake tan that I'm loving at the minute is this one. It's rose and caramel, and this is the Intensity Ultra Dark Foam. This fake tan is so good, and it smells, oh, it smells amazing. It doesn't have like that fake tan smell. It smells like you're wearing perfume. It's so nice. So yeah, that's my fave at the minute. But I'm excited to try the new Bondi Sands one. So yeah, I thought I would show you some of the packages that I've received recently. Yeah, let me know if you like this sort of thing. I tend to do a lot of like unboxing packages and stuff over on my TikTok, so if you like that kind of thing, go follow me over there. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here so I can get it up. And yeah, the next video will probably be the first of autumn videos. So I think what I'm gonna do is a like home shopping, autumn home shopping vibe with me. I did one last year and I loved it. I go to like B&M, Home Bargains, Home Sense, did I say B&M? I think so. The Range, like loads of different shops, Primark, and check out like all the autumn home stuff. So yeah, that'll probably be the next video, and then maybe the next video after that will be decorate the flat for autumn with me. So yeah, all the autumn fun coming soon. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.